Hello, I'm Shashank. This screencast is a continuation of Sudoku Part 2. As we have solved previously, we saw some flaws in our code, like it could not implement harder portions of Sudoku puzzles. In order to solve those, we came across another approach to solve these harder puzzles. As you can see there, when we have given input like 4 dot 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 8, there are more number of dots and more number of empty places. So the puzzle becomes harder for computer to solve. In order to overcome that problem, we came across an approach of DFS. As here it is also mentioned, like consider that in grid 2 above, A2 has 4 possibilities. Here A1 is given as 4 and A2 has 4 possibilities, that is 1, 6, 7 and 9. And A3 has 5 possibilities, 1, 2, 6, 7 and 9. Now if we multiply both, 4 into 5, 20 possibilities are there. And if we keep on multiplying, we get 4 into 1038 possibilities for the whole puzzle to be solved. Now this is a large number and computer cannot solve by itself. So we came across an approach of called DFS to solve the puzzle. Here we implemented new methods like solve grid, search and sum of sequence. These three methods follow a recursively approach to solve the given question. Indirectly, they are following an approach called DFS for solving our problem. If we see this solve of grid method, this returns search of parse grid of grid. Our grid, which is passed as a string, will be returned and will be passed to the parse grid method and then search method and will be returned. So what happens in search method is corresponding values will be assigned to n and s based on the list comprehension and the conditions that we mentioned here, like n comma s equal to min of length of values of s comma s for s in squares if length of value of s is greater than 1, and it will return the values after implementing some method which is passed after the implementation of assign and search methods. It will make a copy of those values because in backtracking it is helpful for stack to maintain. Now if we try to run our previous code, here we see that complete puzzle is not solved. Now let us try to execute our program with the help of new methods. You can see here complete puzzle is solved even though harder puzzle of Sudoku is given to this. So this is part of module 3.